Imagine a tiny molecule called serotonin, the superstar of mood, sleep, appetite, and even how our guts feel. Its journey begins with an amino acid called tryptophan. Think of it as the raw ingredient in a recipe for happiness and digestion. Tryptophan is made in our bodies and also comes from the food we eat, especially protein-rich meals. Once inside our system, tryptophan can take two main paths. It can be converted into serotonin in specialized cells called enteric cells within our gut, or it can be transformed into other metabolites like kidney. These processes are part of the fascinating serotonin metabolism, which influences everything from mood regulation to immune responses. Our gut microbiota, the trillions of microbes living in our gastrointestinal system, play a crucial role here. They interact with our gut brain axis, a complex communication network linking our gut and brain, affecting mood, behavior, and even sleep. Through this gut brain conversation, microbiota can influence serotonin production and how we perceive pain or nausea. In the gut, serotonin is released from enteric cells, acting locally to regulate peristaltic reflexes. Those reflexes, contractions that move food along, and vasodilation, which helps control blood flow and digestion. The enteric nervous system, our second brain, uses serotonin to coordinate intestinal movements and visceral pain perception. But serotonin isn't just a gut hero, it also travels to the central nervous system. Serotonergic neurons in the brain release serotonin, which influences mood, cognition, and behavior. The serotonin transporter helps regulate serotonin levels by reuptake, reclaiming it after release, ensuring balance. When this system gets out of whack, it can lead to conditions like depression, obsessive compulsive disorder, eating disorders such as anorexia nervosa and bulimia nervosa. Interestingly, the blood-brain barrier acts like a security checkpoint, controlling what serotonin and its metabolites can enter the brain. Some pathways involve tryptophan hydroxylase 1, the enzyme that helps produce serotonin from tryptophan. Serotonin's influence extends beyond mood. It's involved in cardiovascular functions, mediating vasodilation and platelet aggregation, which are essential for blood clotting and vessel health. Platelets, the blood's tiny cell fragments, store serotonin and release it during clot formation. On the metabolic front, peripheral processes like hepatic gluconeogenesis and adipocyte lipolysis are also affected by serotonin, linking to energy balance and obesity, sometimes called obesogenic if dysregulated. Serotonin also ties into the inflammatory response syndrome, where immune activity ramps up, sometimes leading to gut inflammation or nerve damage. This interplay impacts not only our gut health but also our overall well-being. All these interconnected pathways illustrate the incredible complexity and importance of serotonin and tryptophan metabolism in keeping our bodies and minds happy. So next time you enjoy a good meal or a peaceful nap, remember the tiny but mighty molecules working behind the scenes to keep you happy, healthy, and balanced.